My name is Jeff Mukolwe. I am the General Manager of Baobab Beach Resort and Spa in Diani. It's a day after the lifting of the restrictions, the famous or infamous COVID restrictions. It was very difficult, even for a traveler. You know, if you start thinking about traveling, the restrictions that you have to go through, the fact that you have to get to the airport a lot earlier, the fact that you constantly have to be wearing a mask, you know, the sanitizing, the testing, and not even sure that you're going to be positive or negative for you to be able to travel. While in the resort itself, keeping distance from everybody. I mean, you can see the pool, everybody's swimming, people are sitting next to each other. But during the restriction time, you know, keeping that distance, we had to reduce our capacities in the conference rooms, we had to reduce the capacities in the restaurants. We had our staff. We are in the business of smiling and being happy. All our staff had to wear masks. You can't recognize them. You can't see their beautiful smiles. Obviously, it was very tough. It's been extremely tough, you know, for us.
My name is Jimmy, and I'm here with my wife, Bevy, and we've come here for many, many years. So even before COVID hit, we enjoyed coming to this hotel. And then, of course, when COVID hit, everything was different. You're served at the restaurant. You can't take things on your own. We have to wear a mask all the time. If we forget a mask, we come down here, we walk into the restaurant, and they say, "Oh, you can't come into the restaurant. You don't have a mask." So then we have to walk back to our rooms and pick up a mask. So we came here a few days ago, and of course we're used to this because we've been here a few times before during COVID. And then yesterday, all of a sudden, we hear at 2 o'clock, no masks. So it was a big relief, and it makes it a whole different experience coming on holiday here down at the coast.
My name is Beverly Strite. I'm married to Jimmy here, and I agree with everything he said. Jim and I have both been vaccinated and boosted, and I appreciate the way this country and even the hotels have taken care of people. But we are thrilled that we don't have to wear masks anymore. It's wonderful to see people's smiles, and this is a great country.
I think it's a good thing for the economy and also for the hotel industry, given now people are free to interact with each other and the ability to be free. I mean, some restrictions were keeping people away, and some were feeling a little bit embarrassed, especially when you don't have a mask and you must attend places. But all in all, I think a mask is still good because we could see a lot of control in terms of no more coughs, diseases like flu. So whoever still needs to continue wearing, to me, is you need to continue. But whoever feels good enough to keep it away, it's okay. Interact. We are able to swim now freely. Sometimes we are able to throw a jig here and there in the entertainment industry freely.
And we're here at Baobab Resort. You can see all around me, behind me, we are practically full. Everybody's happy. The spirit is literally a spirit of freedom. Like everybody's having fun and enjoying themselves. It's been a very tough 2 years. We've gone through the COVID for 2 years. We've gone through the risks of getting the disease itself. We've gone through the restrictions that have come with the disease itself, the restrictions that we've had to put in place within the hotel, restrictions for travelers coming in from out and having to be tested before they come into the country, and so on and so forth. And we're happy that we've gotten to this stage. I must commend the Ministry of Health and the government for how this has been handled.